Hi students, let's look at this question here, which was taken from the year 2020 IGCSE Specimen Paper 1, question 11. Let's see how we can do this proficiently. So the first part is you're given the graph here, the quadratic curve here, and after which a straight line, right? So everything is labeled properly. So BC is perpendicular to the x-axis. So in other words, that BC is actually parallel to the y-axis. Okay, that's pretty okay. Calculate the shaded region. So the first thing is to know that you have two equations, one line here and this curve here. To find this area between the curve, what I usually tell students is take the top curve here if it's bounded by the same sides here, right? You take the top minus off the bottom, because what you actually need is taking this area of trapezium minus off the area under this graph here. Okay, and you get this the area in between. So having that in mind, you should know that you need to find the area bounded by these two curves here, which is here and here. Okay, you need to find the coordinates of A and B. That's the first step you must be able to identify. Okay, so you need to find, to find points A and B, what we're going to do is actually just equate them. So we need to find the x which satisfy both equations. So x squared minus 4x plus 10, is that it? Equals to x plus 10. Okay, this equals to x plus 10. So this case here will just be x squared minus 5x equals to 0. X is equals to x minus 5 equals to 0. So x equals to 0 on 5. Okay, so in this case here, when x is 0, y is just 10. Because I actually use the line equation is easier. So when x is 0, which is here, x is 0, y is just 10. You could just equate 10. So that would be our point A, right? So when x is 5 here, so this is 5, replace into this equation. So y would be 15. There you go. Y would be 15. So this is 15. So B, this is 15. So B would just be, the point B would just be, the coordinates of point B would just be 5, 15. All right. So once this is done up, we could actually find the area sandwich between them. What you need to, the required area would just be taking 0 to 5, taking the top curve, which is this one here. If you integrate this curve here, this line here, sorry, area under this line would be the trapezium, which is x plus 10. Alright, and then after which you just take minus off the area under this graph here. So this curve here, this U shape. So this would be x squared minus 4x. So this is x squared minus 4x plus 10 dx. Alright, so this is what you will get. X squared minus 4x. Okay, great. So this case, let me just draw the shape out. So this would just be the trapezium for this one here, and this would just be the area under the curve. Okay, so you want to minus off this. Yep. So once this is done, we could just do our normal integration, definite integral. So x squared plus 4, so it's plus 5x minus 10. Oh, all right. So 10 minus 10 will be 0. So what is left is this two term here. What we can get is actually minus x cubed over 3 plus 5 over 2x squared, right? And just bracket like that. So 5, 0. I like it when it's 0 because everything will just be 0. So 5 cubed over 3 plus 5 over 2, 5 squared minus 0. Okay. So this case here, what we're going to get is actually just key in calculator. Should be able to get the answer there. So this will be plus 5. That's 5 square. So this is 125 over 6. All right. You could express in terms of the what do you call it? The unit square in the proper fraction. So this will be 20 over 5 over 6 square units. Yep. This is how you do this question here proficiently. If you have any question or comments, please do let us know. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next question.